Hotels.com is part of the Expedia group. Not only can you book hotels, you can also book flights, you can book cars, you can book trains.
Some really big themes in Hotels.com related to data at the moment are to do with moving from batch-based systems to more stream-based processing. Also, machine learning is featuring very heavily at the moment, and the opportunities for the additional insights. One of the things we needed to do with this clickstream data was to be able to attribute clicks to different marketing channels, so we could assign bookings to and see how various campaigns, how effective they were.
There was this massive explosion in data, and our relational data warehouse just couldn't handle that. So that was where we turned to using Hadoop and then in turn Hortonworks. We had to make certain assumptions about the data and about users' behavior, and now that we have more granular access to the data, we can now distinguish between different types of traffic, different kinds of users, different kinds of devices they're using.
HTTP is a rich platform. It's a very big ecosystem, so it gives us a lot of ability to innovate. There's a wide range of tools on the platform, and so it gives our developers a lot of choice when it comes to choosing what technologies they're going to use to solve the problems we have.
Since that initial use case, we've taken on tens or hundreds of other use cases. Pretty much all our big data processing workloads have been moved over.
By having HTTP as our primary data warehousing platform, everyone in our organisation can discover, explore and share their data sets. And then that allows us to gain greater insight and value from the data sets that we have.
For our end users, I think a lot of it comes around to being able to understand what it is they're looking for when they visit our site. Being able to classify users into different groups, like these are business users, so they want this kind of hotel. These are casual travelers who maybe want cheaper hotels. So a lot of what we've done in the back end, analyzing all of this data, joining it, putting it together, the ideal is to get them, give them a really good booking experience. We've mainly maybe gone from daily processes. We now might be operating at an intraday or hourly level with a lot of our data sets. Similar to that is being able to, this customer journey I described, if in real time we're getting information about the customer, and we can then apply various machine learning models to that, and then turn around a result within seconds instead of within minutes or hours. That's really where we want to get to.